Welcome back, students. Let us continue the lesson, that is formatting a document. In today's session we will see how to change the text color in Word document. Changing text color in Word document. So Microsoft Word provides an option to change the color of the text in the following way. Okay, let us open Microsoft Word. Click on Start, All Program, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, so this is the Word document. Now, so in this document, whenever we type any text, for example, let me type one text paragraph. Just I am typing one dummy paragraph. Amount of space or below a paragraph. Follow the steps. Set the spacing. Now just I am going to paste this same text. Now see how text is appearing. Text is appearing with a black color, but some may not like this color. They want to change the color, like they might be having their own likes and dislikes, so like that. So Microsoft Word has given a feature to change the color of this text. Okay, you can change the color of this text. So how to change the color? So let us see now. To change the color, first select the text. Now I want to change the color of this text. Okay, so now I selected. How to select? Just hold the left mouse button and drag it down. So just drag it down, it will be selected. Or one more method is just triple click in this left margin area. Okay, it gets selected. That is second way. One more method, keep your cursor at the beginning, hold shift button and press at the end of the paragraph till where you want to select. If you want to select till here, means hold shift button and click here. So till where you want to expand the selection, you click it in that location. Now I want to select till here, so that's why I clicked here. Just hold the shift button and click it by keeping the cursor at the beginning of a line. After selecting the text, so just click on Home tab. Okay, now already it is Home tab is activated. So in Home tab we have a font group. You can see here font group. Look at my mouse pointer. This font group is having the option of font color. This is the font color option. Okay, and here one arrow mark is given, so that is it displays the color dialog box. You will see the color dialog box of that option. Okay, here list of colors are given. List of colors are given. You can set whatever the color you want to set. Now see, I have made it red. I used bold option also. Last class we have discussed what is bold. So bold makes thickness. Bold gives a thickness for the text. Okay, so just click on this font color option in a font group of Home tab. You will get the color box. In this color box you choose a color, which color you want to apply. Okay, so this is the way to change the color. Now if you want to give the different colors for all the lines, like for first line different color, then only select that line and go to that font color option and select that color. If you want to give different color for third line, then again go to font color option, then select the color, which color you want to apply. I want to give a different color for the last line. Okay, you can go for it. So whatever the color you want to choose, okay, you just select that. Okay, so now I have given different colors for all the lines. Now when we type the text, okay, text displays in a black color. If you want to color only one word, then select only that word. How to select? Hold the left mouse button and drag it over the text, or double click on that word, it gets selected. Then click on that color option on the Home tab of font group, then select the color. Okay. So color of that word will be changed. In this way we can give a different color effects for your text. Okay, I hope you have got this point, how to change the color of this text. Okay, select it, and so now the color what I am setting, this is solid color. Solid color means only one color is applying. Understood? Now if you want to give a gradient colors, here gradient color option is given. If you want to give gradient color, then you can go for this gradients. In the sense, gradient means what? Gradient means you can mix two colors, like see here, you can go for more gradients. So in a gradient, so what are the color you want to mix, so that color you can mix it from here. I want to mix red color, then with the blue color. Okay, so red and blue, see I am mixing, so two colors are mixed. Then click on close button. You can see here red and blue is mixed. Okay. Select the text, click on font color option on a home tab, and go to gradient option. So in a gradient, again you can choose the effect. Okay, you can choose the effect. Then see here, now center part is red color, and this side also we have blue, this side also we have blue, because of this effect. See, because of this effect. See here, so which type of effect you want to apply, you can apply it. This is a variation, you can say variation. Now if you want to change the color, like if you want to mix three colors, okay, if you want to mix three colors, then see here what has to be done. Now I am going to mix one more color. Okay, so in this way, say three colors are there. One is yellow, blue and red. Then you can transparency, you can increase, or you can adjust as per your requirement, as per your need. Okay, now here I am adjusting, and how you want, in which direction you want, you can select it from this option. Okay, and angle 45 degree, so you can increase the value, or you can decrease the value also. At last you click on OK button, or sorry, you click on close button. So when you click on close, so that three color effect is applied for your text. See how it is beautifully displayed. So now when I increase the size of this text, you can see the effect, color effect for this text. We have mixed three colors. Beginning red color was there, in between blue color, at the end yellow color. Okay, so you can mix the colors by using this gradient option. Okay, I hope you have got this point, how to change the color of the text. Okay, so first simple, just you need to select the text, go to color option. In a color option, if you want to fill solid colors, then choose the solid colors from this list. So these are the solid colors. Standard C, I am going to give the blue color. Okay, blue color I have given. So this is here what happened, only one color is applied for your text. Okay, only single color is applied, so that is called as solid color. Okay, only when one color gets applied, that is solid color. So when you want to apply multiple colors, 2 color, 3 color, 4 colors, in that case select the text. After selecting, click on gradient option here, and in a gradient here some effects are showing, some variations are showing, but we don't want this variation. We want to define our own color set, we want to define our own variation. In that case, go to more gradient option here, click on more gradients. So in this more gradients, you choose gradient fill, third option, and here gradient stops. So this is adjusting. Okay, so this is adjustment. Now see red and okay, red and it's like a orange color. Okay, red and orange, it is going to mix. Then brightness you can adjust here. So this is all adjustment points. Okay, so 2-3 colors can be mixed and can apply it for your text. Okay, then how much you want a red shade, you can apply it. You can pull this slider. So when you pull it, that color gets adjusted, in the sense, so more red and little bit orange color, then just click on close button. You can see the effect, how it is showing red color, and at the end we have orange. Okay, so yellowish color. So in this way you can give a different types of effects for your text by using this text color or font color option. Thank you for watching.